Okay, this is the legal lockpicker, and today we are going to open this is the very first pinning kit I've ever had. It just came in the mail a few days ago. I haven't even opened it to see what was inside. The only thing I did was take off this cellophane wrapper. So let's uh, let's see what it comes with. I also got some pinning tweezers too. These are from the dollar store, and frankly, I don't think I'm going to open them and use them for these, so I'll have to wait until I get something a little bit better. So what we'll do is we'll open these up and see what's inside. And I did loosen the tin a little bit, so okay, so it's I guess what you would expect. Okay, so we got a few springs, and I guess it comes with everything that you'll need to repin and rekey some locks. I know when I see other people pick locks and they take it apart, they pull out all the pins and coils and all that stuff, so it's actually kind of interesting to see them not come out of a lock. So alright, we are getting to the pins. I guess it comes with okay, so it does come with some serrated pins. Oh, that's interesting. And okay, so alright, I see. So they also come with these keys, and I guess these pins fit the depth for the keys. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool that it comes in different colors. See, I didn't know that. And okay, so blue, and there's green. That's pretty neat. Oop, there's red. Now I'm almost certain that when I purchased this from Sparrows, the website that I got. Oh, there's a black key too. The website I purchased this from, they said everything you need to repin a lock is in here. And I think for the price point, it wasn't very bad at all. I think for the price point, this may have even been less than $15. So, I mean, how can you beat that? What's this? Oh, okay. So I guess it comes with, this is plastic. So, okay. And, oh my. Okay, so it's a mini, there's two of them. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so it's a mini pinning mat. There's two of them. I guess one to separate the line, so you have the top of the shear line and the bottom of the shear line, right? And that's what you would put in here. I guess you would put the lock on this part. And I guess this one holds the individual pins, like if you want to replace it with a different type of pin. So that is really cool. That is really cool. I had no idea that two of these little mats came with it. That's really neat. So I haven't. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to host another video of me rekeying a lock. So I think that's what we'll do in another video, but I will leave a link in the description below on how you can get yourselves one of these cool repinning kits. And for the price, if it's less than $15, I would suggest getting it. I mean, for nothing else, you get these cool mats, and you get everything you need to repin a lock. So, I mean, how can you beat that? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, just like and subscribe, and that's it. Alright, have a good day.